Hi, good morning. Welcome back to our new video again. We have a VE Commodore here. Holden Commodore VE. It's 2007 model. Yeah, the car has been towed yesterday in the workshop, and yeah, the problem for this car is there is no power running through the cluster. That's why it doesn't um, the vehicle doesn't start, the engine doesn't start, um, all the way here, and the cluster don't have any power when you switch it on the key. So yeah, we found out that uh, the cable from this positive post here, this cable here is coming from the battery at the back. So from here it distribute the the positive power goes to the starter, and the other cable is goes to the alternator and to the um, fuse box. Yeah, this is so yeah, when we take it off the cable, uh, yeah, we found it here already taken off anyway. um, yeah, this one here. So this cable here is goes to that power box, fuse box, and then this one here is goes to the alternator. So when I test end to end of this cable, resistance test, there is no more resistance end to end. So when I strip it off, the flexible hose, that's what we found there. There is a fuse which is so hi guys, it's already done. We already fitted the cable that's coming from here and goes, if you can see there, yeah, that's the one there. Yeah, this is the cable here. Yeah, and it goes to the alternator, which is this one. Yeah, this cable here. Yeah, this cable here, and we'll go to this fuse box. This fuse box. So yeah, whenever you will encounter this kind of problem, that you loss of power there on the cluster, just have a look in this one here. Just get a multimeter, just point the red terminal of your multimeter here, and the black will goes in here, and set it on continuity test in ohms. So if there is a continuity between from there, from this terminal to this terminal, means to say that the fuse there are good. If there is no continuity, it means to say that fuse there is fuck. Oh, I mean, sorry. Uh, it's already blown. So yeah, when when there is no continuity on it, just remove the cable. If you don't want to purchase a new cable, you can just soldering it with the lead. Just soldered it really good, so that it will not blown again, and you will be fine. Let's see how it goes. We will start it, and so it's good. Now you have all the lights on the cluster, which is doing it right now. So yeah, all good, the problem solved. But this one is just only a temporary. I'll have to find the second hand one so that we can fix it properly. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.